We are going to take a look into how the technicals are going to play in line with the FOMC. So right here on USD JPY, there's no significant setup on the H1 and on the H4 as well. We don't have a significant setup. And right here we can see on Euro USD, no significant setup for the day on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, no significant setup as well. On USD CHF, no significant setup on the 1 hour and on the 4 hour as well. There's no significant setup, and on Euro JPY, no significant setup on the 1 hour and the 4 hour as well. So we can see right here on AUD USD, on the 1 hour we have an engulfing candle to the buy side. You can see a grab of liquidity and seeing the buyers sets out a strong support within this area. You can see price bouncing off, signaling strength on the Aussie against the US dollar. And on the 4 hour there's no significant setup, and on AUD JPY no significant setup on the 4 hour and the 1 hour as well. You can see on NZD USD no significant setup on the 4 hours as well as on the, however, on the 1 hour on NZD USD we can see a bearish engulfing signaling sell to the downside, and you can see price retesting this zone, and we are going to expect a drop right here. So let's go further. On GBP USD on the 1 hour there's no significant setup, and on the 4 hour no significant setup as well. On USD CAD there's no significant setup on the 4 hours, on the 1 hour and on the 4 hours no significant setup as well. On gold you can see this bullish engulfing, and we can see price retesting, and we're going to expect gold to rally further up as we have a setup on the 4 hours. And on the 1 hour on gold there's no significant setup. On silver no setup as well. On GJ we have a sell setup with a bearish engulfing, and we can see price retesting and dropping. So we are going to be expecting the Great Britain pound to weaken against the Japanese yen. However, the buy setup here has been invalidated, so further sell down is going to be expected to be seen. And on BTC USD no significant setup on the 4 hour. However, on the 1 hour you don't have a significant setup as well. On DXY no significant setup on the 4 hours, and on the 1 hour no significant setup as well. As always, plan your trade your plan, win today, win forever. Like, share, subscribe and follow for more.